Hello friends, the Nivea Men Oil Control All-in-One Face Wash with 10x Whitening Effect with Cooling Menthol is a great product for men. It gives you the much desired freedom and control from dirt and pollution which damages our skin. So men, it is time for you to take care of your skin while choosing your face wash. To give your skin extra care while removing dirt and pollution, it is an excellent product. Nivea Men Oil Control All-in-One Face Wash with 10x Whitening Effect which gives the excellent result. The Nivea Men Oil Control smooth and moisturize your skin while unclogging pores and removing dirt with the cooling clay face wash from Nivea. Nivea Men Oil Control Face Wash is dedicated to defining and elevating the essence of those who identify themselves as modern gentlemen, offering premium grooming and lifestyle product at accessible price. Their collection has been engineered specially to meet the needs of masculine individuals. Each product is meticulously designed and researched formula which is chemical free and is packed with high grade natural products like cooling mud and also contains natural charcoal to remove excess oil and impurities and deep cleanses the pores with the cooling effect of menthol. It protects and nourishes the skin. Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Nivea Men Oil Control All-in-One Face Wash with 10x Whitening Effect with Cooling Menthol. I have purchased it from Amazon.in. Here you can see the barcode and the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. It is packed in thick polythene casing so that water and dust content may not damage the product. And now I am ripping it open. I have taken out my scissors and now I am cutting it through. The MRP of the product is rupees 195 INR, and here I am taking out the product. It is Nivea Men Oil Control All-in-One Face Wash with 10x Whitening Effect. It is for men. It comes in a 100-gram tube. Nivea Men All-in-One Face Wash with Cooling Menthol is a all-in-one face wash and one-stop solution for your face wash needs with 10 skin nutrients formula with Whitening Vita Complex Extract. The power of Whitening Vita Complex Extract with plus 10 nutrients make dark spots lighter and tough to spot. Nivea's Men Oil Control All-in-One Face Wash works wonders to make the skin look healthier and feel fresher. For all men out there who crave healthy skin, Nivea's Men Oil Control All-in-One Face Wash promotes clean and spot-free skin. The ultra-light texture of the skin whitening face wash with cooling effect of menthol helps in keeping the tough men's skin healthy and soft. Apart from healthy skin, the dark spot reducing face wash deepens and cleans the skin and reduces and prevents blackheads and whiteheads and also works wonders on the uneven skin tone. Nivea has formulated the Nivea Men Oil Control All-in-One Face Wash with 10x Whitening Effect to concentrate on cell repairing and putting excess oil and dirt and repairs the skin and also relieves the stressed skin. It is formulated with Whitening Vita Complex Plus technology and enriched 10x whitening formula, and the regular use of this Nivea Men Oil Control Face Wash helps in lightening the skin tone. It also keeps the skin fresh and healthy. And here now I am opening the tube and now I am taking out the face wash. This is the Nivea Men Oil Control All-in-One Face Wash with 10x Whitening Effect, and here I have taken it out. It has a nice scent and it is very good, and it is also keeps the skin healthy and fresh. It also contains natural charcoal which gently deep cleanses your pores. It also exfoliates and removes the excess oil and removes deep impurities, and also contains cooling mud formula which cleanses excess oil and impurities and makes the skin calm and lightly exfoliates the dead skin cells. The natural skin cream is very good. The natural charcoal in the Nivea Men Oil Control Face Wash removes excess oil and purifies the skin naturally. The cooling mud along with the oil control act as dirt and oil magnet while keeping the skin free from painful tightness which chemicals can produce. It soothes the skin and also cools the skin with the cooling menthol effect, and the skin feels free from dirt and oil and looks whiter and refreshed. The product prevents your skin from getting tight and painful because of its cooling and moisturizing ingredients, and it is a very good and nice product. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.